Okay, so this is next portion of the haul, in pieces. I did pick up this Aqua Spectrum Noir Artist Water-Based Markers. Thought I'd try them out. So they react with water, whereas I have the other markers. And these are the Terra or Earth colors. So they are Sage, Bramble, Tawny, Clay, Peat, and Flint. Not necessarily those violet colors, but I'll just try them out and see what they're like. So they have this tip to outline, and then you have this brush tip. I don't know if I showed both on white lines, so that's the brush tip. I like the fact it labels, and then this little pen tip. So I don't think I have my water around me. I'm just curious like how it responds. I mean, I don't know if I actually need these or not. I may or may not get these. That's a debate. Then I did get this one embossing folder, and I really got it because I love these. This window pane is dimensional, opens up. So this is one of those embossing cut folders. It does come with 4 dies, with just some birds and a bow. And then the window itself is the 4th one. But there's a little brick setting in the back. And it's called Wedding Window. Their prices have really went up because it's $4.99. It used to be $3.99. You know they brought back the Tuesday morning card. I meant to say that in my last video. Of course, my videos are probably going to be delayed by the time they up, because I've been doing that arcade and trying to get those videos up. But yeah, they got the Tuesday morning card back. They at least know sorry, my computer. They do know that the store is going to stay open. They told me at least until December. Let's see after that. They're going to reevaluate. But they brought back the rewards card. Did pick this letterhead up. This was one I didn't have, and again this went up to $3.99. I paid $2.99 I think for my other ones. I just love the scripty font. Best wishes exclamation point, grandma greatest to the, so so glad you're my grandpa, mom, or dad. So, and then a little raise. So anyway, 11 pieces. I like the script. I've just been getting most of those in the set. I think they make nice card fronts and stuff. So anyway, that concludes my little teeny haul. Because, you know, it's not as much. I'm being a little bit more frugal on what I do buy. But, from Tuesday morning, but not as much stuff coming in. Even though they're getting some things in, a lot of dyes. I've been a little bit more selective and on the paper. Yeah. So anyway, hopefully you still have your Tuesday morning around. But if you do ask for your rewards card, they're going to give you the $10 off the $50. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to create a 10 God bless. Bye-bye.